Understanding an RFID gate system. Components, working, and application. So, what is an RFID gate system and how it works? An RFID gate system leverages RFID technology to keep track of all the RFID tagged assets coming in and leaving the premises. Imagine a warehouse or an IT firm where RFID tagged items are coming in and going out continuously. An RFID gate system offers accurate tracking and recording of all these items passing through the gate. The gate system brings automation and accuracy. It removes manual operations and captures fast-moving items in bulk automatically with great accuracy in warehouse and distribution centers. The RFID gate system also works in office buildings and automates tasks such as employee attendance tracking, asset tracking, access control as well as visitor management. Let's have an overview of key components of an RFID gate system. When it comes to the components being used in an RFID gate system, we use an RFID reader, RFID antennas, cables and RFID tags to make this system work. RFID reader. The RFID reader is the brain of the system. It powers the antennas, reads tag data, and sends that data to the software connected with the RFID gate system. RFID antenna. Antennas are mounted on either side of the gate and create a read zone. Antennas capture and transmit RF signals between a reader and a tag. Circular polarized antennas are commonly used for wider and more reliable tag detection. RFID cable. RF cables connect the antennas to the reader. They ensure smooth transmission of signals without loss. High-quality cables like HLF200 or LMR400 are typically used. RFID tag. RFID tags contain RFID microchips and contain information about tagged items. Similarly, RFID cards and RFID wristbands are used to track people. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.